Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This channel will take you to right financial path. Today I will talk about how to make NPS contribution via QR code. Each subscriber will get the unique QR code for tier 1 and tier 2 accounts. You need any one of the UPay enabled apps to make payment online. For example, Google Pay, Paytm or PhonePe, etc. You can also download the QR code and make for future transactions. If you make a payment before 9:30 a.m., you will get the same NAV units, that is net asset value. Log in to cra-nsdl.com. Enter the user ID, enter NPS password, enter CAPTCHA, click this checkbox and then click submit. This is homepage of NPS portal. Select transit online. Then click contribute online. You will see the instructions here. Click read the instructions and then click proceed. Under subscriber services, verify your PAN number. Select NPS subscriber type. Select the request OTP via SMS or email. Enter the CAPTCHA and then click verify PAN number. Click send OTP. The OTP will be sent to registered mobile number or email ID. Enter the OTP and then click submit. The subsequent contribution page will open. You can scan the QR code to make payment via UPI enabled apps. If you make payment before 9:30 a.m., you will get the same day NAV units. A more easiest and convenient way to make NPS payment online. And that's it about this video, friends. Press the like button and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.